Hi students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class we started with the chapter sets and I gave 3 questions as a assignment, that is the homework. Now I will start with that. See that the collection of all even integers, we have to write the question is like that, just state whether the following is a set or not, justify your answer. So here the collection of all even integers. Tell me, can you write the even integer? Can you make the list of even integer? Yes, of course we can. So it is a set. Then eighth one, the collection of questions in this chapter. Obviously the questions are given in the last and you can make a list of questions in this chapter. So that is also a set. Ninth one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. See here we cannot judge whether which animal is danger and which animal is not a danger. So we cannot judge, so it is not a set. So it is not a set. Now after that I am moving to the next question. This question is from NCERT 1.1. So here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One set is given for you. Insert the appropriate symbol. This is belongs to and this is not belongs to. In the last class already I explained which one is this symbol, about this symbol. In the blank spaces. See, belongs to means you have to find whether the element is present in the set or what. See, 5 is present in the set A or what? Yes. Now we are writing belongs to. Moving to the second one. 8. Is 8 is present in the set A? No, it is not in the set A. So does not belongs to. And what about 0? 0 is not in the set. So does not belongs to. Next, fourth one. 4. 4 is an element of A. So it belongs to. 2 is also present in the set A. What about 10? See, 10 is not present in set A. So it does not belongs to A. This is very simple if you know the concept. Moving to the next question. So moving to the next question, not next question, it is the next concept. That there are 2 methods to represent a set. Now I am explaining that presentation. 2 methods. Moving to the next. See, there are 2 methods of representing. A set. First method, roster or tabular form. Second one, set builder form. So I will explain the definition as well as an example. First one, I will start with the first one, roster form. Roster form or tabular form. See, in this method what we have to write? In this method tells you one statement is given. According to statement you have to write the elements of the set. So in this method one statement is given for you and according to that statement you have to write the elements of the set. I will explain with the help of example. So first I will give the definition. All the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by comma and are enclosed with, we are writing that in the flower bracket, enclosed with this flower bracket. So this is a definition, that means about a roster form. I will explain with the help of example. See, the set of all even positive integer less than 7. Here, according to this statement, you have to write the set. So let us denote the set as A and write the elements in the flower bracket. The set of all even positive integer less than 7. So 2, 4, 6. And remember students, for a Kannada medium student, don't make a tension. Even means it is a sama positive. So dhanatmaka, sama dhanatmaka integers, values, numbers you have to write. So now moving to the, and now it is simple or what? Moving to the next example. First I will explain all the examples in the roster form. Then I am moving to the set builder. Next example, the set of all natural numbers. Second one, the set of all natural numbers which divide 42. So that is, again write it in the form of set. You have to write the numbers which divides 42. So here natural number means obviously we are writing positive. 1 divides 42 or what? Yes, 1 divides. Even 2, because 42 is a even number. 2 divides 42. See, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is divisible by 3 means whole number is divisible by 3. And you are familiar with tables. So 6 divides 42. Even 7 divides 42. Then 14 divides 42. 21 divides 42. And 42 itself divides 42. So if you are thorough in the tables, easily you can write. Third example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. So you are familiar with the vowels called by any naming. I am taking as a C. A, E, I, O, U. So like this we have to make the list. Moving to the next example. Fourth one. The set of all odd natural numbers represented by, see, the set of all odd means besa, swabhavika sankhyaಗಳು. So how you write? I am taking as a set A 1, 3, 5, 7 continuation, because they are not mentioned the last value where we have to stop, like that they are not mentioned, it goes on continuing. Next, fifth one, the set of letters forming the word school. Here you have to write the letters in the form of set. Let us take the set A. First I am writing S, comma C, comma H, comma O. And remember one thing, if the letter is repeated, don't write it twice, write it only once. So like this we are writing. That means the statement is given. According to the statement, we have to write the elements. This is a roster form. Set builder. That means, for example, how you build the house, on which basis, on which formula. Like that, the elements are given. You have to frame the statement. That is builder form. Set builder form. Reverse. Moving to the next method, that is the set builder form. Set builder form. First I will write the statement. All the elements of a set possess a single common property. Common property which is not possessed by any elements outside the set. See, by this statement, if you are not following, you don't worry about that. I will explain with the help of example. Then you will come to know what is this statement. See, example, here the set is given as A, E, I, O, U. In set builder form, you have to write the rule, under which rule they are written in the form of set. Let us, I am taking as A. So, these are elements. These elements I am denoting by X, and this is a symbol for such that. X such that X is, what about this? I am explaining how they are connected, how they are written in the set. X is a vowel in English alphabet. So you have to write the rule, in which rule they are connected. So like this we are writing a set builder. We are making a rule for this given statement. Given set. Second one. 2, 4, 6. Here also they are even numbers or what? X such that X is even, and they are, remember, they are positive. Even natural number, and only 3 we wrote. That's why I am writing less than 7. Even natural number less than 7. So now you understood. Here what we are doing in a set builder, the set is given and we have to frame the rule for that, how they are connected. Moving to the next example. 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. See, by seeing that only you can say that they are odd numbers. That is Bessa Sankhyalu. Write down the solution. Let us call it as a set A. X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Understood? Like this we are making a rule. Moving to the next one. Third one, write the following sets in roster form. Roster form. Understood? So roster means, you know that the statement is given. We have to write the elements by writing the comma. First one. A is equal to X such that X is an integer and it is lying between -3 to 7. Are you familiar with the number line? So it is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to write the number in between -3 and 7. So what is your answer then? Set A is in between. We are not writing -3 and 7. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Second one. Like this we are writing in a roster form. Second one. X such that X is a natural number less than 6. See, natural number, swabhavika sankhyaಗಳು less than 6. Then what is your answer? It starts with natural number, starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it necessary to write 6? No, because it is less than 6. Moving to the next one. Third one. See, X such that X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. You have to write the number such that when you are adding that two numbers, the answer will be 8. For example, 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 26, 35, 44, 53, 62. Add the numbers. 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, like that. 71 and lastly 80, because 8 plus 0 is 8. Read that statement correctly and write the answer slowly. Next, fourth one. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. See here. First, before writing, you know what is a prime number. A prime number is nothing but a number which is divisible by one and itself. A number which is divisible by one and itself. Understood? And one is neither prime nor composite. So that's why we are not writing 1. Now how you write the set then? 60 is a even number, so it is divisible by 2, and you know that 2 is a prime number. Next, 3. 3 divides 60, 3 is a prime number. Even 5 also divides 60, 5 is a prime number. Even 6 also divides 60. But 6 is not the prime, because 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. 10 is also 10 also divides 60, but 10 is also not a prime number. So the answer is 2, 3, 5. Moving to the next question. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry, trigonometry, trigonometry. Students, this I am giving you as an assignment because it is very simple. Just write down these letters by writing a comma. If the letter is repeated, don't write it twice. Next one. The set of all letters in the word better. So here this also I am giving you as an assignment. It is again very simple. So just write down the letters by writing a comma in between. If the letter is repeated, don't write it twice. Moving to the next question. Write the following sets in the set builder form. write the following sets in the set builder form. So write down the example. First one. 3, 6, 9, 12. So how you write? We have to make a rule. We have to frame a rule how they are written. X such that x is equal to 3n. That is, it is a multiple of 3. See, in place of n, if you write 1, 3. If you write 2, 6. If you write 3, 9. If you write 4, 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, like that. It is a multiple of 3 and it is a natural number. We are not writing a negative number, and it is lying between what? It is lying between 1 and 4. We are using 1 and. This symbol tells you we are using 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. See, students, if you are very interested in playing a game with numbers, you can arrange this in a very simple way. It is not given, but you can arrange yourself. 2 is written as 2 raised to 1, 4 is 2 square, it is 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. See, now you can frame a rule very easily. I am taking this as B. X such that x is equal to 2 raised to n. The base are same, only the power is different. Again, it is a natural number and it is in between 1 and 5. Is it simple or what? Third one. 5, 25, 125, 625. This is also very simple because 5 is 5 raised to 1. 25 is 5 square, 125 is 5 cube, and it is 5 raised to 4. So write down the set. Like above, it is very simple. X such that x is equal to 5 raised to n. N is a natural number. Belongs to n means it is a natural number. And we are using the numbers in between 1 and 4. Moving to the next one. 2, 4, 6. See, they are the even numbers or what? Let us take the set as C. X such that x is an even natural number. And we are not writing any end term because it is not given. Even a natural number. That is sama. Even means sama sankhegalu, swabhavika sankhegalu. Moving to the next one. 1, 4, 9, 16, dash, 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 100. So again very simple. If you are thorough in the tables and arrangements, how can you write? So 1 is 1 only, 4 is 2 square, this is 3 square. Continuation, and 100 means 10 square. Now tell me how you write. Here the base is different, the power is 2. So how you write then? I am taking as a x such that the base number is changing. That means it is a natural number and power is always fixed. N belongs to n and the base we are using 1 to 10. 1 to 10. See, like that we are using. Moving to the next question, fifth one. List all the elements of the following sets. First one. Very simple it is. The question is given, you have to list the numbers. X such that x is an odd natural number. Odd means ಬೆಸ, natural number, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. It has to start with 1. Odd 1, 3, 5, 7. It goes on continuing because they are not mentioned the last number. Moving to the next one. Second question. B. X such that X is an integer. It is lying between minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 to 4.5. So for reference better you write a number line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1. Minus half means it comes here. It is minus half and 4.5 comes here. We have to write the integers means not a fraction. Integers in between this. See the number line, which numbers you are writing? We are writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, is it very simple or what? Moving to the next one. Third. C such that X such that X is an integer. It may be positive, negative or 0. X square is less than or equal to 4. That means when you take a square, it is less than or equal to 4. Then what are the numbers you are writing? See, minus 2. What is minus 2 square? 4. Equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. It is less than 0. 1, 2. Why we are not writing 3? If you write a 3, it becomes 3 square is 9. It is more than 4. Next. X such that X is a letter in the word L-O-Y-A-L-O-L. So it is very simple. Just make the list of that elements or letters. This I am giving you as an assignment. Next question. X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. And you know how to write this. That is also question as an assignment. Next one. X such that X is a consonant, that is a letter which is not a vowel in English, in the English alphabet. Which precedes K. That means which is before K, which are not vowels. Before K we have to write. And students, these three are assignment. Another two also I gave, trigonometry and better, but that I am not giving you the answer because already you are familiar how to write. In the next class I will start with these answers, these assignment answers, and I will complete exercise 1.1, NCERT exercise 1.1, because already in exercise 1.1 I solved two main questions. So in the next class I will complete this. And don't think the mathematics is difficult, it is very simple. So please share this with your friend and like, give the comments and subscribe the channel Siddhapur Mathematics Academy.